Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Describe the picture.
Describe the picture.
What do you see?
What do you see?
What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? I see a snowman. The snowman is white. The white snowman is running. He has a carrot nose. He's holding a broom. He's wearing a red scarf. Good job!
Well done.
Max, what do you see in this video?
I see a snowman
Okay, tell me more.
running.
The snowman is running. What is he doing now?
He's jumping.
Jumping, okay. Can you describe the snowman? The snowman
he
has
scarf.
a scarf, a red scarf, okay. What
And
about
he has
his
a
nose?
Broom.
He has a broom. He's holding a broom, okay. Just a minute.
He has an orange carrot.
Okay, he has an orange carrot, or you can say he has a carrot nose.
Oh yeah.
Because he's a snowman.
And he has black eyes.
Black eyes, okay.
And a mouth.
And a mouth. What color are his shoes? His shoes are
Black.
Yes, his shoes are black. Did you forget black?
Yeah.
And what color is his hat? Is he wearing any hats?
Yeah.
Okay, what color is it?
It's black too.
It's black too. Okay, and
And
what color is the broom?
It's yellow.
Yes, did you forget all your colors? And
No.
what color is the snowman? Is he yellow?
No, he's white.
He's white. Okay, do you like snowmen?
Yeah.
Can you make snowmen?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he has buttons.
He has buttons.
3 buttons.
Is he a happy snowman or a sad one?
He's really happy.
He's really happy. He's a happy snowman. And are you happy, Max?
Yeah.
Yeah, Max is happy. I love you. What do you see? Look at this picture. What do you see now? Can you describe this picture? I see 4 people in this picture. There are 2 grown-ups and 2 children. They are skating. They are happy. It's winter. I think they are a family, a mother, a father, and 2 children. They like winter. They like to skate. There are also beautiful houses in this picture. It's snowing. Okay, Max, what do you see here?
I see children.
Children, okay.
And I see
What are they doing?
I see people. They're skating.
Okay, they are skating. How many people do you see?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 2 children and 2
children and 2 grown-ups.
grown-ups. Okay. Are they all skating?
Yeah.
Yes, they are all skating.
And one is falling.
Yeah, is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
A boy. Is it snowing?
Yeah.
It is snowing. Are there any houses behind them?
Yeah.
Okay, the houses are beautiful.
Yes.
Max, are the people wearing any scarves?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. They are all wearing
Scarves.
scarves. Why are they wearing scarves?
Because it's cold outside.
Yes, it's cold. And what season is it here?
It's winter.
It's winter. How do you know it's winter?
Because it has snow.
Okay, it has snow. It's snowing.
Yeah.
There is snow. There is ice. The people are skating. They are
And
skating
there are
outside.
snowflakes.
There are snowflakes. Okay. Do you like winter?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I can make a snowman.
You can make a snowman. Can you skate, by the way?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Me
A
too.
little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Max, for describing this picture.
You're
Oh,
welcome.
one more question, the last question. Are the people happy?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. They
They're
are very
really
happy.
super happy.
Okay, good job. Good job!
Well done.
Max, look at this beautiful picture. Let's ask all types of questions. And the sentence is, the people are skating.
The people are skating.
Ask the first question.
Are the people skating?
Yes, they are.
Are the people skating or skiing?
They are
They're
skating. The people
are skating. Aren't they?
Aren't they? Yes,
Yes,
they
they
are.
are. They are.
The people are not skiing.
Are they?
Are they? No,
No,
they are not. Oh, no, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
What, where, and who? What?
What are they doing?
They are skating.
Skating.
Where?
Where are they skating?
They are skating at the skating rink.
At the skating rink.
And who?
Who is skating? They are.
Good. Good job. Well done. Now this picture. The snowman is running.
The snowman is running. Is the snowman running?
Yes, he is.
Is the snowman running or swimming?
He is running. The snowman
is running. Isn't he?
Isn't he? Yes, he
Yes,
is.
he is.
The snowman is not swimming.
The snowman is not swimming. Is he?
Is he?
No, he isn't.
What, where, who?
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
He's running.
Where?
Where is he running?
Outside.
Outside.
Who?
Who is running? The snowman is.
Okay, good job, Max. You are so smart. Good job.
Well done.
What do you see? Describe the picture. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for learning English with us today. Subscribe, like, share. Email littleangelreader@gmail.com. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Little Angel Reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.